Sarah Hembry, the principal here at Cobb Middle School, and I'd like to welcome you to our open house tonight. We are super excited to have you here and this opportunity to show you all the great things that are going on in your student classes. This is an opportunity for us to communicate with you what's going on, and we'd like to encourage you to continue to communicate with us by signing up for our parent listserv, which you can do so in the Media Center this evening or on our school website. In addition, please follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages to keep up with activities and things going on. Also, as you are going through this evening with the teachers, please make sure that this is not the time for individual conversations about your student. If you would like to set up a parent-teacher conference or an opportunity to speak more directly about your student, please contact teachers after this event or work with our guidance office to meet with all the teachers. Have a great evening.
Hi, my name is Mike Combs. I'm Assistant Principal for Curriculum. Welcome to Open House. In my office consists of two guidance counselors, Gail Mosley and Dr. Von Jones, along with our registrar, Miss Erica Green. We're here to help you with any academic issues that you have, or if they just need a friendly face to talk to your kid. Our doors are always welcome for your children. Thank you for coming tonight. Have a great day.
Good evening. Welcome to Cobb Middle School. I want to introduce myself. I'm Mrs. Dawn Wilder. I'm the Assistant Principal of Administration. And to my left, I have Deputy Morris, our School Resource Deputy. And I have Mr. Robert O'Banner, our Dean of Student Services. And this is our team that we are going to be working with our students this year on safety. That is our #1 priority at Cobb Middle School. Also, parents, please remember, supervision is between 8:45 and 9:25, and in the afternoons from 3:50 to 4:20. So please remember, students are not allowed on campus until those times, and that is to keep them safe. Also, we have open door policy here at Cobb. If you need anything regarding attendance, discipline, or any concerns or questions, my door is always open. So please make sure you come by and see me or give us a call at Cobb, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for coming tonight, and have a wonderful evening.
Hi, I'm Devin from the PTO. This year, we are focusing on the positive behavior support system that Ms. Hembry has in place, and so we need your help with volunteers and funds to do this. The other things we do in the year are teacher appreciation breakfasts. We have those monthly, and we'll be doing drive-in dines as like a fundraiser where you pick up your meal and you go whenever you pick up your child. And so there's going to be other volunteer web opportunities this year, so keep your eye on the website and check the Cobb PTO website for updates. Thank you.